What if I told you that our entire galaxy is being dragged somewhere and we have absolutely no idea what's waiting there? Whole galaxies are being pulled into the cosmic dark by something we cannot see, and the world's leading astronomers are quietly terrified. Look up at the night sky. The stars appear calm, peaceful, even beautiful. But beyond what your eyes can see, a violent and inexplicable phenomenon is unfolding. Something massive is pulling entire galaxy clusters through space, like debris caught in a cosmic current. Scientists call it the dark flow. And the most disturbing part isn't just that it exists, it's that some believe the true scale of it may be deliberately hidden. To understand why this discovery is so disturbing, we first need to understand how the universe is supposed to behave. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding outward in every direction. Galaxies drift apart like dots on the surface of an inflating balloon. But something is wrong. Deep in distant regions of space, massive clusters containing thousands of galaxies are moving together at impossible speeds, over 2 million miles per hour. And they're not drifting randomly. They're all moving in the same direction, toward a single invisible point. This cosmic mystery first surfaced in 2008 when astronomers analyzed data from NASA's WMAP satellite. Hidden inside the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe, was a strange signal. Galaxy clusters were moving in ways that completely defied the expected expansion of the universe. Instead of spreading apart, they appeared to be flowing together toward a region far beyond the edge of what we can see. The discovery was shocking. It should have shaken cosmology to its core. Yet almost immediately, something strange happened. The discussion around the discovery began to fade. Papers that once called it revolutionary started using softer language. Scientists who once spoke openly about the anomaly suddenly became cautious. Public explanations described it as a possible statistical coincidence. But the original calculations remained unchanged. Hundreds of millions of light-years of space, containing trillions of stars, were clearly being pulled in one direction. Something massive was exerting a gravitational influence far beyond anything our models could explain. And this is where the true terror begins. The dark flow is not pulling galaxies toward a visible structure. There is no giant galaxy cluster waiting at the end of this motion. The destination lies beyond the observable universe. That means the light from that region has never reached us. We cannot see it. We cannot measure it. Yet, we can feel its gravitational pull. Imagine drifting in the middle of the ocean, while an unseen waterfall somewhere beyond the horizon slowly pulls the entire sea toward its edge. Some physicists believe the explanation may lie in something even stranger than gravity. According to one theory, the dark flow could be evidence that our universe is colliding with another universe. In the multiverse model, reality is made of countless cosmic bubbles. If another universe is pressing against ours, its gravity might leak through the boundary between realities. In that scenario, the galaxies we see rushing toward the darkness are being pulled by something that exists outside our universe entirely. But there is another hypothesis, one that pushes the limits of cosmic horror. Some theorists speculate that the dark flow could be caused by something ancient, something older than the universe itself. A primordial structure or entity that existed before the Big Bang and somehow survived its birth. Something so enormous that entire galaxy clusters behave like dust swirling toward it. If that theory were true, humanity would be living inside a universe that is slowly drifting toward a cosmic predator we cannot even see. Faced with such terrifying possibilities, the reaction from major institutions has been strangely quiet. Instead of dramatic headlines, the dark flow slowly faded from mainstream discussion. Some researchers claim there was quiet pressure to stop sensationalizing the phenomenon. Funding for further investigations became scarce. Conferences avoided the topic. It became an uncomfortable subject, something scientists acknowledged privately but rarely emphasized publicly. Then, in 2013, the European Space Agency launched the Planck satellite to create a more precise map of the cosmic microwave background. Many hoped it would finally settle the dark flow mystery. Official reports concluded that the phenomenon likely didn't exist. The anomaly, they claimed, could be explained by measurement errors. The case appeared closed. But not everyone was convinced. Independent researchers who examined the raw Planck data noticed something disturbing. The strange motion patterns had not disappeared. They were still there, but hidden beneath layers of statistical modeling. Some scientists argued the data had been interpreted using assumptions that automatically removed large-scale cosmic motion. In other words, the anomaly wasn't gone. It had simply been filtered out. Over time, several astrophysicists who continued investigating the dark flow began encountering unusual obstacles. Research grants disappeared. Papers were rejected repeatedly by major journals. Some researchers quietly changed their focus. Others retracted earlier claims without clear explanations. Whether coincidence or pressure, the message became increasingly clear. Studying the dark flow too aggressively was not a good career move. Why would anyone want to suppress such a discovery? The answer may lie in psychology rather than science. Human civilization is built on the assumption that the universe is stable, that the cosmos follows predictable laws. But if scientists confirmed that an invisible force beyond our universe is dragging entire galaxies toward an unknown destination, the implications would be terrifying. Humanity would realize that our entire cosmic neighborhood is part of a migration we cannot stop. And the truth is, we are not observing this from a safe distance. The Milky Way itself is part of the moving cluster. Our galaxy, along with billions of others, is drifting toward that invisible region beyond the horizon of space. Every second, our solar system travels thousands of miles through the universe in that direction. We are passengers on a cosmic current that began long before humanity existed. Some theoretical models run by advanced supercomputers suggest the destination may not be a massive object at all. Instead, it could be a tear in spacetime itself, a region where the structure of the universe is fundamentally unstable. Simulations attempting to map it often collapse into mathematical errors. The equations break down, as if reality itself cannot describe what lies there. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember something unsettling. The stars may appear peaceful, but the entire universe around us might be in motion towards something waiting in the dark, something beyond the limits of observation, something powerful enough to pull galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years. And if that unseen force truly exists, then the question is no longer where we are in the universe. The real question is, what exactly is waiting for us at the end of the flow? If something beyond the observable universe is pulling entire galaxies, what could possibly be waiting out there? Subscribe and stay with us, because the deeper we look into space, the darker the truth becomes.